If you want to download itch.io browser games to play on your PC, this video will walk you through the process step by step. It's quick, simple, and once you know where to click, you can get your game downloaded and launched in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the itch.io website. Once you're there, use the search bar to find the game you want to download. You can type in the title of the game, browse through results, and click on the one you want to open its page. On the game page, look for the Download Now button. This is the main button that starts the download process. Click it to continue. In some cases, itch.io may show a pop-up asking if you want to leave a tip for the developer. That's completely optional. If you just want to get the game, click "No thanks, just take me to the downloads." This will take you straight to the available download files. Next, click download to start saving the game file to your computer. Depending on the game, the download may come as a zip file or another compressed format. Once the file has finished downloading, go to your downloads folder or wherever your browser saved it. Now right-click the file and choose Extract All. This is important because the game files are usually packed inside the downloaded archive and need to be unpacked before you can run them. After the extraction is complete, open the extracted folder. Inside, you should see the game files, and in many cases, you'll find the main executable file. Look for Game.exe and double-click it to launch the game. If Windows asks for permission, just confirm that you want to open it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an itch.io game from your browser and opened it on your computer. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.